What is going on, YouTube? How we doing today? Well, as you can see by that box, we've got another knife review coming up. This is a first for our shop. We have never had one of these blades in here before. So stay tuned. We're going to roll that intro, and we're going to get right into it. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. As you saw by the opening, we're going to take a look at a Kizer Vangaurd Kesmec Alpha 2. Now I know there's some other little designators in there like V4461 Alpha 2, but you know, it just kind of seems to drag it out a little bit. Now something I thought was really cool is I'm seeing Kizer blades pop up everywhere. I never got one. So I broke down and went, okay, well let's go out, take a look, and pull the trigger on one. What impressed me with the boxes, kind of open so you can see what's going on inside there. And I love the fact, for every stat guy out there, there they are right there on the back. But we're going to get into that in a second. Now, inside that box, before I show you the blade, only way I can put it, I gave you some weird paperwork. I love that. Use and care. Always sharpen your knife with the correct techniques. And they also gave you this cool little buffing out pad, you know. But anywho. So, let's get into the blade. I know you guys are like, shut up, fat boy. Show me the blade by now. There she is. I loved it because of the orange. I thought about that for, honestly, for an upcoming project that I'm looking at doing. Something that's bright, loud, and obnoxious that's going to stick out. But anywho, overall it's got a length of about 7.95 inches. The blade is 3.58. Enclosed, it's 4.37. It's got a neat little weight to it of about 4.5 ounces. But it's not really overbearing at all. I mean, it fits really good and feels really good in your hand. Now, the blade steel is VG Victor Golf 10 with a Rockwell rating of 58 to 60. From my understanding, it's corrosion resistant and, you know, holds an edge very, very well. And I'm sure the microphone's going to pick it up. Yeah, that's the ice cream man outside my neighborhood. A little early for one, but that's just my thought. So enjoy the music if you can hear it in the background. Now, what made me laugh is they're like, well, the handle is stainless steel, but it has these incredible, you know, G10 orange scales. I know you can get it in a variety of some other colors, but I chose orange for a reason. Looks more like a burnt orange and not like a signal orange. Now, this is what I liked. And it kind of reminded me of the Gerber Shark Belly review that I did. We're going to leave a little link right up there. Go check that out. It's got this huge open hole. Now, it's not to be confused with the Spyderco hole. They've got a patent on that circular opening thing, and nobody else can use it without paying them a whole bunch of money. But I do like the fact you can pull it up close, out further. It just makes for opening, you know, so much smoother. Now, it does have, as you may have seen there, little liner lock. You do have, you know, your lanyard hole. The pivot system is by gaskets, and, you know, it's really, really smooth and really buttery. Now, what I did like, you can basically flip this left or right for your carry, but it's one position only, tip up. Now, for those of you wondering, this is made in China. Okay, now, here's the strange thing. Any of you guys know by watching my videos, we go out and we try to figure out the cost and try to figure out the rating. Now, we normally go to the company's website and we go to Amazon. Because honestly, Amazon is where a lot of people buy a lot of products. And we go to the company's site because I want their info. Well, the dollar amount on this, on, you know, KizerKnives.com, I couldn't find a price. Seriously, I looked all over that website. I found the blade. Couldn't find a price. Couldn't find a rating. Over on Amazon currently, it's $55.90. And I wanted something to bounce off this, so I went to Blade HQ, and it's $83 right there. It doesn't have a single rating on KizerKnives.com or BladeHQ.com, but over on Amazon, it's got a 4.5 out of 5-star review, or I should say ratings, with only 8 reviews. Guys, I like this one. Hold on. It came basically razor sharp, if I can do this right out of the package. I mean, I've put it on a strop once or twice just because it's what I do, but it's really freaking sharp. Now, I want to know what you think. Down below. Leave your questions, comments, hatred. I don't care. Leave it down there. You know, I just want to know you're watching. If you are a first-time viewer of my channel, I want to thank you so much for picking this video. It's an interesting one because, like I said, we've never had a Kizer blade on the channel before. Now you're going to be seeing a symbol popping up right down here. That's our little logo. Go ahead, click on that. I'll wait. Go ahead, click. Have you clicked yet? Click. You know you want to. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've hit, done the subscribe thing, click on the bell icon that is right next to it. That way you're going to be notified every single time we upload a brand new video. And speaking of videos, 2 are going to pop up over there, right here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a good viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. The Kizer Kesmec Alpha 2. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day today.